Hi, I'm Mason from GenTech Scientific, and I'm here to give you a little tech tip on cleaning your LC stacks. So a common complaint we get on our LC stacks tends to be involving the buildup of salts and other solids along common leak points in your machine. So a common method to clean your LC is the use of water, the least preferable method, methanol, or isopropanol on a GenTech wipe. Adequately coat your GenTech wipe in a copious amount of isopropanol, and you want to just go up to wherever you see visually your salts and your buildup, and you want to wipe it all down. Get it all out of there. Buildup of solids and salts will continually decrease the performance of your machine. Regular cleaning of your LC equipment will significantly increase the lifespan and expectancy of any system that you use, the Agilent, Shimadzu, Thermo, anything you use. A lot of common buildup you'll find is on your pumps, specifically your active inlets. A spot a lot of people miss when cleaning is the bottom of your purge valve. As solvent leaks along the bottom and drips down, a lot of the solids will be left behind up there. On top of all your inlets, commonly below your metering pump on your auto sampler, both your auto sampler valve, bottom of your auto sampler valve, and your column valve if you have one, both ends of your column, and your VWV flow cell, and your detector flow cell. Any other service questions? Contact us today at gentechscientific.com.